Hey babes, Jen here. Welcome back to Blindly Honestly, and if you are new, I hope you enjoy today's video as well. So today is a Boxycharm unboxing. This is April's box, and unfortunately this is also my last Boxycharm box, just because money is tight right now, and I just can't afford the subscription. So enough woe is me, and I'm gonna go ahead and open the box. First thing I'm gonna grab is the Adesi lipstick. It doesn't say what shade it is on the box, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open it and see. I know you guys probably hate how I open boxes, huh? Because I just destroy them. Ooh, that's a pretty shade, but it looks like it kind of got broken up in the mail, or just it looks like it's separated. So there's no name for the shade of lipstick, it just says high definition liquid lipstick. So I'm just going to go ahead and swatch it. It looks like it is a kind of like a terracotta color. Let's see. Ooh, it feels kind of, yeah, it is a terracotta mauve color. It's really pretty, but it does feel very tacky, so I'm worried that it might make my lips stick when I talk, but we'll see. So this is the vacuum cleaner. It's a pretty big bottle. It's a 1 ounce of product. I think this might be full size, I'm not sure. But it says after cleaning, apply a thin layer to the area of concern, avoid eyes, leave on for 5 to 10 minutes until dry. A cooling sensation will occur. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Use 2 to 3 times per week for a maximum result. Dr. Brandt is actually a really good company. They have really good skincare products, so I'm excited to try this one. And let's see if it's clear, blue, what? Ooh, it is clear. And it just kind of squirted out. So it is a clear product. And you can see it has micro beads in it. I don't know if you can see that, but it has little beads in it. That's probably to help the exfoliation maybe. Or it might help cause the tingling sensation they talked about. So next we have the Prettiest Pro Glow, and this is shade Expose. Let's see how it looks. This is a liquid highlighter. This is 15.9 grams, 0.56 ounces of product. So we're gonna see how this has like a little squeezer. Let's see. It does have a very nice shine. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but in person it's like a very natural, healthy looking glow. I really like how that looks. But next we have the Brow Gal, the Instant Brown Hair O2 Tinted Brow Gel with microfibers. So the product is in the smaller end, which is typically really normal. And this, if you're curious, is 0.113 ounces or 3.2 grams of product. And this is the shade. This is the shade. It said it is Brown Hair O2. And the brush is just a spoolie brush. So you can see the spool does have little fibers on it. And when you brush it out, it builds up pretty quickly. It's a good, nice shade. I might give it a try. I may. So last but certainly not least, we have the ColourPop Semi Precious Eyeshadow Palette. This has 8 20-gram pans in it. And all together, the pan is 16 ounces of product. The box also has that really pretty gold emboss on it. And these are the colors. They are all glittery shades. So they're really good for a pop of color. I'm not sure how they would go for a full eye look, but I will be doing a review on this, so keep your eyes open. On the back, it has the shades Celestial, Beam Me Up, Easy Go, Up and Atom, West Star, Bashful, Upon a Star, and The Game. So I'm gonna do a swatch real quick. So I'm gonna start with this shade, which is Up and Atom. Oh, I'm going to take this flat brush from Storybook Cosmetics and I'm going to swatch this for you. Those are the shades. I hope you guys can see them. So from top to bottom, we have Up and Atom, Easy Go, Beam Me Up, Celestial, The Game, Upon a Star, Bashful, and West Star. I really like these shades. I wish these two were a little bit more brighter because in the pan they are really, really pretty, but I will see what kind of look I can put together with these. So that was April's Boxycharm. I was really impressed with the highlighter and I'm really excited to try the mask because I love pore cleaning masks. The lipstick is a really pretty color, but even now that it's on my finger, it still hasn't dried and it's really, really tacky, so I don't know if I'll actually wear it. The brow gel from the Brow Gal actually dried really quick and it's a really pretty brown. It could probably work for me. I will have to give it a try. I like that highlighter. It's a really nice natural gold highlighter look. It's not too wham bam in your face. The eyeshadow palette, I'm a little disappointed with the pigmentation. Usually ColourPop's pigmentation is a little bit better, but I think just because they are glittery is the reason why they're not showing up as well. Plus, I did not use primer, so I will be coming up with a video soon doing another swatch with and without primer, as well as a tutorial with this palette, so keep an eye open for that. Please give it a like and subscribe for more awesome content. Also, remember to hit that notification bell so that you are notified when new videos come out. And I will see you guys next time. Love you. Bye.